It's May the 4th and my Tusken Raider needs a weapon. Today in the Black Market Outpost, we're going to make a Gaffi Stick in the traditional style of the Tusken Raiders with a bit of a twist. We're going to take some modern tooling and apply the knowledge we have and see what we can come up with. Let's head to the shop and get this build started. I'm so happy with the outcome of this Gaffi Stick. It's a real physical manifestation of my love for Star Wars and a reminder of the joy the franchise of Star Wars has brought to me. I hope you've enjoyed this build as much as I have. There's many more things to come here at the Black Market Outpost. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And most of all, get out there and make time to make something.